Alright, so let's start with creating the layout of the app. So I have opened the app.vue, and here let's remove this, and let's start with a div of class rs nodes wrapper like this, and inside that I'm going to add toolbar like so. And this toolbar component is not available. One thing I want to show, I already renamed this from top bar to toolbar. So let's open that, and here we need to add something. Alright, so let's start with that. So template view, and we also need the script tag as well, composition, but we do not need that composition things here. Just we need to add the setup. Alright, so here let's start with a div and the class name of rs top toolbar. So this will be our top toolbar, and inside that we will add another class which is called rs toolbar title, and inside that let's add rs nodes. Okay, it should come here. Okay, because we haven't import the toolbar, I guess. Yep, so let's import it. So import toolbar from add components and common, and then toolbar.view like so, and you can see we have this rs nodes. Actually you can take this script at the top because that's the standard. Okay, so here we actually gonna need some icon, because if you see this one, so we have after the rs nodes we have this icons. So to get these icons I am going to use Google Fonts. Google Fonts has a library for that, and that is, I believe, let me just make it bigger. I have, okay, so these are the icons. Let me shrink it down again. So this is the icons, and I think we can get the first icon, let's say edit note or something like that, and we can use this link. Let's open our index.html, and we can paste it down here. So it will be the Google material fonts link, and we can copy this span tag to use it in our app. So we can paste it down here like this. Alright, so it should appear. You can see the icon is there. Now the next thing, I want to add another portion of it, and that is, let's say div.rs action icons. So with that we will do or perform some deleting and the other icon that actually we need. So right now I'm going to add another icon which is called delete. So let's do that. Delete, and let's click on that, and you can see the format of the icon is, the class name is same, but we have just add the delete. So what you can do, you can just actually copy this and paste it here, and you can just call delete. And next I'm going to duplicate this because I need another portion where I will add search, list and grid icon. So I guess we have search icon as well, and its name is search, so we can just rename it to search. And we also need list view icon, so let's search for it. Okay, there is no list view, just search for the list then. So alright, so probably this one we can use, so we can just view list. So let's duplicate this search and we can say view list, and we need another icon which I know it's grid view. Okay, so if I go there I can okay, this search doesn't have any icon. Let me check. Search, and if I click on that, we have this search outlined. Okay, so actually it does have different formats of icon: outlined, rounded, sharp. So if I click on sharp, and I need to change it to sharp, right? So I'm going to use the sharp icon, not the outlined icons. So let's just quickly change those. Sharp, and also for that I need to change the library as well. So let's open the index and let's repaste it. So right now I think sharp should be available into that as well. So still search, okay, it's the spelling mistake. Alright, so let's just shrink down a bit. So we have all the icons. Now we just actually need to do some styling, right? So let's go back into the main.css and let's start adding some of the CSS. So first I'm going to copy some code from my CSS and to add the font family, which is poppins and some global stylings. And then let's open the app.vue and we have this rs nodes wrapper. So let's just copy that and paste it here, and let's add some styling for that. So let's just copy, and I'm just not writing the CSS, I'm trying to saving some time for you. So I'm just copying and pasting from my previous codes. And for the toolbars, so let's open the toolbar. What we have this rs top toolbar, and said this that we have title, and we have these icons inside. Also we have some div separation with the rs icon actions, but I actually need to add some common icon class here so that we can style the icon as well. So let's give a name rs action icon like this, and I'm going to just copy some CSS styling and I'm gonna explain to you, and obviously this code will be available. So these are the top toolbar CSS. We have this rs top toolbar. I have some CSS like padding, background, color, display flex, justify content, space between. So there is a 3 options you can see in top bar, like first section, second section and the third section. So we are using this flex and doing the space between of the justify content and align item centers. Obviously we have some toolbars title class. You can see we have this toolbar title. So to do some styling for that, we have this, and we have this rs action icons, which is this one, these 2 divs, and basically this is the part of the flex, so it will have the same effect. And we have this rs action icon and the rs action icon hover. So let's just save it and it should reflect. So you can see we have this. Now we have the problem because these icons needs to be go at the very left or very right side of your screen. So we can say I think we have another class that I have added, which is rs dash dash justify end. So let's copy this, and this is this will have very basic css. So let's add here, and we can do just justify content flex end, like so. If I save it, so you can see the things is going here.